So this is my mom. And she's about to get a golden ride in the 370Z. So for the first time, so this is gonna be fun. We're about to head to church. So, but the thing is that look at what this dude is doing. He's literally blocking us. Like there's almost no way. But let's see what happens. Sorry.
As usual. As usual. Where's the seatbelt?
Yes, I better get a seatbelt on. Okay, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
For what?
Don't worry, I'm trying not to kill us. So I'll downshift. First get.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Come on now. I'm still kind of in the speed limits. I just accelerated really quickly. No, I'm just rev matching. Goodness.
Yeah, sounds so good.
It's so noisy. Sounds so good. The car is fine. It's beautiful.
Yes.
I've always been a car person. When people will be buying things that are useful, you'll be buying toy car. When we go to a shop, it's toy cars that you go and pick.
I don't even remember.
Or you will go and look for what's it called? Magazines with cars.
I don't even remember that part.
Yeah. That's what you used to do when you were little.
Yields.
Glad, finally.
Oh yeah.
How can I dance in the car? Go, Joe. You are right, You are driving up. I don't know how to dance.
I pray you don't know how to dance.
I don't know how to dance.
Got to. And that's a lot of fuel that's just like going to
I told you now. It's your fuel.
But I mean, you just.
Smooth, just like the noise there.
Yeah, the noise is so much.
Like an airplane.
Yeah, you almost can't hear anything now. You're like, yes, how are you doing? So what is your favorite car?
Do I have any favorite car? Any car that moves smoothly. that conserves fuel.
You like the Priuses? Semi-tunnel.
Your fuel. No, but it's true. It's low.
That's very low. Like
and very loud.
Very loud, very low. What else? Very bad on gas mileage.
But it's beautiful though. It's beautiful. Right?
Thank you. So the only thing you like about this car is that it's beautiful. That's the
It doesn't have space.
Yeah, no space as well. So I should just change the video of my mom riding in my car to my mom is roasting my car. Oh, and insurance is also horrible as well.
Expensive.
Everything about this car is expensive.
It was your dream car, so I guess you will not mind much. It's one of your dream cars.
My super realistic dream car. F-Type. Jaguar. What do you want from the bank? How does it come from the bank? Hey, I'm driving.
Yeah, you're driving. Does he have to do that?
What?
Does he have to do that revving?
It's rev matching. Like it has to change to a lower gear and then.
Oh goodness.
Why is my alarm ringing?
It's actually scary.
Oh my! Then I'm just trying to imagine like riding in like there's this car. It's called the Dodge Demon, and it does 0 to 60 in like 2.3 seconds.
Oh.
But when that one, this one does in like 4.5. But when that one like full throttle everything, the two wheels of the car raise up from the ground because it's like accelerating so fast. You're like, so,
literally raises up.
Yeah, the two front wheels raise up from the ground. They call it like a wheelie. It does a wheelie.
There's one of my former colleagues. He was coming back from Elwiri.
Yeah.
And the guy tried to race him.
Yeah.
And they got into a struggle, just kind of on the road.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, the guy ran him out of the road. They had an accident. And he broke his arms and he never recovered. And he said if he had known, no, but just allowed the guy.
Yeah. I mean, but
oh goodness.
I mean, the sound is just intoxicating.
It's loud.
It's not loud. It's musical.
It's golden. According
It's
to
golden.
you.
Yes.
Nice to be driven by you, sir.
Huh?
I said nice to be driven by you. Oh.
Wait, so do you think I'm a good driver?
Yeah, you are.
Ah! Do you guys hear? All of you that say I'm a terrible driver. And she's not just saying it because she's my mother.
No, you drove us all the way from Kentucky to this place. So.
Yells. And it was like over how many hours? Like we drove like 10 hours every day for like 4 days.
Yeah.
Or something. So
I should know if you're a good driver. Oh goodness.
What did I do?
Oh goodness. It's so loud.
So like, would you say like you like Ferraris or Lamborghinis or like, you know, we went to like the dealership,
car shop, yes,
the Pagani dealership, yeah, at
yes.
Beverly Hills. So which one was your favorite car?
The purple.
Oh, so
one at
it
the
was
back,
the Porsche GT3 RS. That was your favorite.
Was
it the color?
Pagani.
Yeah, it was the Porsche GT3 RS that we saw. So like,
beautiful.
really, was it the color or like what?
Not just the color, the spoiler that is up.
Yeah.
And
what else did you like about it?
it just looks nice.
Yeah.
I guess I'm not a car person.
So it wasn't just the purple.
No, not just.
That's very interesting because like in the Porsche Pagani dealership we went to, there was like a Pagani Huayra that was like, I don't know, a Pagani Huayra, there was a Bugatti Veyron, a Bugatti Chiron, there was a Lamborghini Aventador SV. What else? Like and she likes the Porsche. That's so weird. Like usually like people are like, oh my goodness, like the Lamborghini or like the Ferrari 488 or something like that.
No, I like
Porsche.
that. Though I don't know, maybe the color contributed.
Yeah, I think so because the purple looks so good.
So good.
So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. My mom pretty much hates my 370Z. I'm actually just kidding. She actually does like it. I think well, just one thing about it being pretty that she liked, but the next though is my dad, so you guys are gonna want to stick around for that one. If you like this video, give it a golden thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive. Bye.